Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the Runmefit Watch 4 and GTR3 smartwatches. There are modern smartwatches from Runmefit which looks stylish and attractive in design and has cool functions. Packaging looks great. Let us check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, I can find one Runmefit Watch 4, a charging cable and a user guide. Next, for the GTR3 model, inside I can find one GTR3 smartwatch and a charging cable along with a user guide, all nicely packed together. Let's check out the Watch 4. It is a versatile and sleek looking watch with metallic body design. On first boot, I will be prompted to install the app, which I will do so later. Next I will check out the GTR3 smartwatch. This looks more for sports activity with its sporty design. Download the app from my phone's application store. Then set it up to connect to the watch. Once connected, data is synchronized. On the Watch 4, the interface looks very cool and modern, with cool lighting effects and time and date listed properly. The drop-down menu allows for quick access to different functions like settings, brightness control and others. The watch has monitoring sensors for detecting my different health statistics. It can monitor my heart rate. Cool. There is also a step counter to measure my steps daily when walking or exercising. It can keep track too. It can measure my heart rate with the in-app with cool graphics along with other health stats I want to measure. When it is connected to my phone, I can make calls with it. Other useful apps like calendar, alarm is on it too. Data is in sync with my phone on the app. Great. Now let's have a quick look at the GTR3. It has very similar functionality. With sports tracking apps, my health monitoring features to monitor my sports activity and fitness when I do sports. The screen display looks good too, smooth graphics that is clear when viewing. Overall, I find the Runmefit GTR3 and Watch 4 an amazing find for people who value fitness and smart technology on a watch. It is versatile and comfortable for me to wear on during my use. If you want to find out more on the watches, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.